And how many of you want to become more intelligent? Welcome to my session, Super Intelligent. My name is Rohit and I completed my class 12 and I am from the Leadership Academy. So, and every morning, early in the morning, I used to do certain fun and exercises called finger brain games. We have a wonderful game coming by. So, by show of hands, how many of you for the game? Say hi! Welcome to game time. The name of the game is Spring and Rain. What is the name of the game? Spring and Rain. The objective of the game is very simple. As you can see, the ring is now in the spring.
Presentation. Okay. Done.
We have to just remove this ring from the spring. Simple. Rules of this game. That's not very complicated. It's very easy. The thing is, you cannot bend the spring, nor you cannot break the ring. And the most important rule is, the ring must come only from the center of the spring, not from either of the sides. Size and order. You will in 2 minutes, and the one who manages to solve the puzzle will get 50 points. How many points? 50 points. Now the coaches will distribute the puzzle, and anybody seeing touching the puzzles will get disqualified. How many of you want to get disqualified? Say aye. Ready? Your 2 minute time starts now. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And time. How many of you managed to solve the puzzle? Say aye. Okay, there are some who didn't manage to solve the puzzle. So, do you guys want to do?
Yes.
How many of you want to do? Say aye. So, how many to ask?
Come on, everybody.
Come on. Joyce, you come on, brother. Joyce, please give me everyone. Come on,
Everybody, all together.
Rohit, goodbye. So the clue is, bring the ring to the center of the spring. The money just rotate it, and you will get to the center and make a small twist. Understood? I will repeat. Bring this ring to the center of the spring like this, and make a small twist. Wait. Keep the puzzles down. Everybody. Tamil. You pointing at this. Okay, here. As I gave you the clue, you will be getting 1 minute, and whoever manages to solve the puzzle will get 20 points. How many points? 20 points. Your time starts. I will give you the answer. So the answer is, just bring the ring to the center of the spring like this and make a twist, and it got separated. So most of them solve the puzzles before in the first round you solved it, right? So while making that small twist, you guys so after you make the twist, you got to unlock the puzzle completely. Like the same scenario, you all have many struggles and hurdles in your life. So for that, generally most of the people, like they mostly think that we have to just focus on the issue, rather they won't be focusing on the about how to solve the issue or the challenge we can have it like that. Make the twist, like your mind must be sharper and more strong to make the. I teach you the brain gyms that is called the finger brain gyms. Can we start?
Yes.
Yes. But we can do some simple exercises for that also, which are very efficient and simple. But studies, you obviously know. You have to study certain things and you have to learn it and you have to gain knowledge. But for brain gyms, it's very easy to do it wherever and whenever. But mostly in the early in the mornings, it's very preferable to do those brain gyms.
Excellent.
Yeah, the hand exercises. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready? Say yes! So let's start with the exercise called find and yell. What's the name? Can we? So one and five and another and yell. And swap. This is one count. One. Next exercise is 2 and 2. Yeah, 2 and 2. So don't think it's weird. Just middle finger, ring finger 2, and this 2. Next exercise is thumb and pinky.
Thumb and pinky.
Yes. Thumb. One and thumb, one and pinky.
Oh. Oh.
Start doing it.